Science Link – Access to Brilliance. The Baltic Sea region hosts some of the most powerful research facilities in the world. In Berlin, Geesthacht, Hamburg and Lund.
Science Link is a Baltic Sea region project. The idea is that companies in the Baltic Sea region will be able to do experiments at large-scale facilities.
The facilities are advanced research laboratories with accelerator rings up to 2.3 kilometer circumference and a neutron reactor for cutting-edge material analysis.
Well, we have the most powerful microscopes in the world, and they can be used to measure really fine details, much higher resolution and much faster than any other machines in a typical lab.
Typically, these facilities are mostly accessible for academic research. Thanks to Science Link, companies from startups to global corporations can access synchrotron and neutron sources to analyze their materials.
There could be companies in the life science industry, there could be companies in the chemical industry, in the packaging industry, there could be companies doing advanced materials such as nanomaterials, etc. So there could be everything from multinationals down to spin-off companies from universities with a few people employed.
Synchrotron radiation is produced by accelerating electrons through special magnetic fields. Radiation is produced at kilometer-scale ring accelerators with highest quality. Synchrotron radiation is similar to X-rays, but more advanced and with specific properties, brighter and much more focused, which makes it much more versatile for analysis of material.
Well, we have people looking at things like viruses and bacteria, all the way up to a 1-ton engine block from a car or a truck.
We give the analyst this sample. The outcome of the experiment at Max Lab is such that it will help us better manipulate these tiny little wires that we use so we can make a better solar cell.
The other method of analyzing materials offered via Science Link is the use of neutrons. Neutrons together with protons are building blocks of atomic nuclei. These particles can be generated in research reactors at, for example, Helmholtz-Zentrum Berlin.
So we are offering small angle scattering techniques, we are offering tomography, standard diffraction for residual stress analysis and texture analysis. The sample can come from a very small range from the biological field or from pharmacology of some drugs and so on, to a big turbines or engines, ones that they fit to the experimental hall.
The duty of the industrial liaison officers at Science Link is to be an interface between companies and science. The ILOs are highly experienced specialists who can understand the needs of the companies and translate these in order to select the most appropriate method for the company's R&D challenge.
But the idea here is that we have much better instruments and more possibilities of looking at very dilute samples, very small samples and very fast processes.
Science Link proved to be a very competent partner that helped us improve our simulation methods.
The benefits of Science Link is basically that it's the flexibility.
Working with Max Lab and the scientists that exist here is almost expanding our R&D department capabilities by, I would say, at least tenfold.
Science Link, the link between science and industry.